How to stop overthinking when speaking English. Overthinking feels like you are trying to be better, but it actually stops you from speaking. When you try to be perfect, your brain slows down. Perfection creates fear. Fear creates silence. Confidence comes from action, not perfect thinking. Let's practice imperfect speaking. Repeat after me. No correcting allowed. My English is improving. Now, say it again, but this time faster. My English is improving. Now, let's practice mistake. Now you practice making mistakes safely. Say quickly. I like speaking English with confidence. Say it again. I like speaking English with confidence. If you made a mistake, good. Keep going. The next one is for you to try to speak in. I will give you 10 free seconds to speak about your day. Excellent. That's great progress. With my student, I teach this rule: speak first, improve later. Perfection is psychological pattern and it's something I work on deeply in my mindset exercises. Now you know how to stop overthinking. In the next episode, you will learn how to speak confidently, even if your English is not perfect.